All right, so it's Wednesday, August the 4th, 10:03, and this is the sprint or this is the retrospective for August 4th for the past 2 weeks. And right now, we're going to have Gagan share his updates to the system. Then we're going to have Ronaldo share his updates to the system. All right, so go ahead, Gagan.
Yeah. So we changed. First of all, this is our community page. So we changed this. Earlier it was all white, but now we changed the brand according to the branding. Now it's blue and similar to assessment. And there is this go to assessment button. Plus we added this another feedback feed button feed box here. Like whatever questions you will ask, if there is a comment, you will get to know from here. This will be the landing page for the veteran. So we added this. Also we changed here, we added connections here. Like the veteran if comes here, he or she can view the created connection and the status, and also the reconnect button is there. Like if they want to reconnect with the org, they can click here and an email will be sent to the org that you need to reach out to the veteran within 48 hours. So that thing will be done from here. We added this. Obviously we have topics. They can ask questions on any of these topics, and whatever answers, like they will have the update here. So this is something we changed. Also the feedback loop we moved up. So we also limited the, like you can add the subject and then there is a limit of 255 characters in the description. That is not working here in DevGagan because I was testing some issue with the custom labels. I'm currently testing that issue. I'll fix it. So also we have a placeholder, like a description is there that you can only enter 255 characters. The message is displayed here. So that thing we changed. Also, if you click finish, entering the feedback, then okay. So once the feedback is submitted, earlier there was no close button. Now we'll have a close button on the thank you page. So you'll have a thank you message plus you'll have a close button here to close the thank you page, and you can go to assessment.
Hey, just something really quick. Esco, can I say anything?
Yeah, of course.
During this? Okay, whenever you gave the feedback, it should say thank you for your feedback instead of thank you for connecting with us for this one particular item.
Okay, you mean here? Okay, I can change that.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for contacting us. So you said thank you for what now?
Because they're clicking on the little smiley face to give feedback. So instead of it saying contacting us, it should say thank you for your feedback.
Thank you for your feedback. Yeah, okay. I roger that. Stand by.
Okay. I can do that. I'll change that. Also here, like we have this is similar, like we have the connections here. So you'll have your connections view, and plus you can go to like my career, and if you have already created the connections, like since there is no connection here, it will show you like that. But if you have already created the connections and there is no connection available, I think this is the change that we did. You'll have a message that you have connections open for all the services in this service category, and please explore other service categories. So this message will be displayed and you can go back. So this was one change. Plus, yeah, the referral picture. Okay, I think the eligibility criteria is active in this org. That's why I'm not seeing any resources. But yeah, if I wanted to show the referral part, Ronaldo, if you want to show something, you can let me get a resource where I can show the referral. Yeah.
Hey,
in DevSMGMT, we have how to display this. And apart from that, you can see that in the visual, we also increase the font size of the text, the buttons, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good to go. Yeah, I see that. Hey, Gagan, whenever we had the white pop-up box with the letters, can we make sure that those letters telling us to go back and choose other resources, can we make sure those letters are also larger?
The pop-up box, Ronaldo, can we make the alert box, I think, larger?
Pop-up, yeah,
the alert.
Change the alert. The
Yeah.
JavaScript alert, no, we can just change the capital, but we can try to tweak this. Yeah.
Okay, it's not a super huge priority. It works. That's all I
Yeah,
care
yeah.
about. Yeah, as long as it works, I'm fine with it.
Yeah, or we can change instead of use the JavaScript alert, we can use the modal component.
All right, good to go. All right, Gagan, thank you for that. Is there anything else you want to show Gagan, or you want to go, or you want to go to Ronaldo for now?
I want to show the referral part, but I'll have to I'll have to close one of the case for this. Then only I'll be able to show it, because referral appears after
Sure.
we create a connection. So let me do that. Meanwhile, Ronaldo can share.
All right, sounds good. Go ahead, Ronaldo.
Okay, so in this part, I'm gonna share here. Then I'm sharing. I'm gonna display the eligibility criteria. For example, for this particular person, she's a female, is an Nanita users test user. So, and for example, for this eligibility criteria, we have that for the male gender, we're gonna display the combined arms. So if she's a female, we will not be able to see combined arms resources. So Narita was telling us this morning that she was testing this. It seems to be okay, but of course we need to test with resources. This test we are doing with the organizations, and we can do this filter per organization and per resource. So this has been fixed, and also let me display here the mobile version. Let me close this. Move everything. Yes.
Yeah,
So
that's nice.
for the mobile version, it's better. You can see the currents here. You can see the buttons, filters. For example, you can select here, and there's a bunch of breakpoints in the code.
So can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Yes. For all of the organizations that we don't have logos for, I mean, it doesn't look great. So is there a plan to instead like have a combined arms logo as a placeholder or something like that? So it just looks more finished, if you will, or more complete.
Yeah, that is a good suggestion, Mia. And I'm not,
Yeah.
as I understand it. Hey, y'all, do we have the image data that we just haven't migrated over, or are we truly missing logos?
No, we are truly missing logos, because I added some logos for example, for Amarillo, for other service providers, because I manually entered in their website and get the logo and stretch or reduce the images and send upload in Devis and Unity, because originally we don't have this in production yet. So this is something that we need to work with.
All right.
Like for goodwill, for everything,
All right, so we do have them. I just sent Tina a message to connect you, Ronaldo, with the file of logos, all the ones we have. I do know that we are missing some, but for those that we don't have, can we default to a combined arms logo?
To the combined arms logo, but this will maybe let the user a bit confusing, no?
You are right. Or can we make it? I'm trying to think of a way. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. We have the 22 Kill, the Alamo, American Outreach, blah blah blah. So these are the logos that I'm getting, from the service providers website. So Emergency Health, Goodwill, Houston, Heart of Texas, blah blah blah.
I'll tell you what. Is there a way to audit the system for the logos? I'll just straight up go and steal them from the internet in the meanwhile until we have something.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because Ronaldo, is there? Can you send me a list of all the logos that we don't have? Is there a way to define that easily?
Yeah, I think it will be easier to send you the listed logos that we have. Yeah. Okay. I can build this list of logos that we don't have yet.
Okay.
Okay. So this is basically the mobile version. So let me in here. So you can see that we have all the buttons aligned. Everything's working good. Also, if we change to, for example, to an iPad, you're gonna see something more beautiful here. Let me just refresh this screen. 75. Or for example, if we change to the Surface, if we change to an iPhone X, so everything.
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah. And filters and all that stuff. So everything will work properly. Okay. This is basically one of the changes that we did. And well, it was basically the visuals and labels. So for example, behind the scenes, if we want to translate to Portuguese, to Spanish, to German, Irish, whatever, we can use the labels. So instead of use the English words, the texts, the titles of the whole system, we can translate it. So this was a good action that we took, because this will let us to spread this system to different countries and languages.
Excellent.
Okay. So
Excellent.
let me stop presenting. Yep.
All right.
Yeah, can I share the referral part?
Yeah, go ahead, Gagan.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
While Gagan is pulling that up, Ronaldo, that list, I'm going to assign it to Libby to get all the logos and do it with great speed.
Yeah.
So that'll be a high priority. If you can just give me a list, I'll send it with Libby and have her knock it out.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, we can, like, my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, you look good.
Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we select the resources, then we come here. We can add the if we want an additional node
Oh,
to centrally
great.
yeah, I want this connection, or any reason that I want to share with the organization, I can do that, and that will come as a node from the client, but I have to change the heading to additional nodes. So this is again because of the custom level. I'll update that part. And once you click connect now, it will give you a pop-up for the referral. So
And so these notes are going to appear in the connection record, correct?
yeah, it's with the heading node from the client.
And so is this a new field? Like, do we have a connection record to look at where we can see where? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's available in the partner portal. I updated the page layout for the partner portal, so it will be available for.
Yeah.
You have this connection referral button. You can refer, or if you want to cancel, you can cancel, or if you want to refer somebody, you can do it. Email is not mandatory because sometimes we don't have the email. We'll have just the phone number, and you can enter the phone number, and this will create a lead record for us. Also, we have a check on the email that if this email is already registered with the combined arms.
Nice.
You put the email, then we have a check.
I love that.
Yeah.
Good thinking, Gagan.
Yeah, and then you can click refer. Then you'll have this message. Thank you for the referral. Please feel free to refer others, or press cancel to proceed. So you can cancel at any time. Just click the cancel button and you'll be taken to the thank you page. So this was the change that we made.
Good.
And
have you updated that it is going to the lead or?
Yeah, I've updated that. It
Okay.
is going to the lead record now.
Okay.
Yeah, just that.
All right. Yeah, I think that looks really great. I love the refer a friend option. That's awesome. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording now. Those are the new updates.